shortbread cookies, fruit jelly, and cream cheese are the main ingredients. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a low sugar dessert and baking strawberry cheesecake bars. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 13 by 9 inch sheet pan with aluminum foil. Extend the foil 2 inches above ends of the pan. Spray with nonstick baker spray and set aside. Take a quick moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other low sugar dessert recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe and click notifications so you don't miss any new recipes. To make crust, place cookies into a food processor. Process on high until they form fine crumbs. The texture should look like this. Add butter too. Pulse until blended. Notice the difference in the texture. Evenly distribute crumb mixture onto the sheet pan. Press evenly over the bottom, leaving a 1/4 inch gap from the edge. Bake 15 minutes or until lightly browned. While baking, whisk jam in a bowl. Reserve some of the jam in a microwave-safe bowl. When done, cool crust on a wire rack for 15 minutes. What flavor jam would you use in this recipe? Let us know by commenting below the video. For the cheesecake, place cream cheese into the bowl of a stand mixer. Add sugar too. Using the whisk attachment, whisk on high until smooth. If needed, scrape the bowl and continue whisking. Prepare eggs. Add eggs to the bowl of the stand mixer. Add vanilla extract and lemon zest. Whisk on medium until just blended. Again, if needed, scrape the bowl and whisk until just blended. It's time to put this dessert together. Grab a bowl of strawberry preserves and spread evenly over crust. The crust should look like this. Spoon cheesecake mixture into the spaces between the crust and the edge of the sheet pan. Pour the remaining cheesecake mixture over the crust. Evenly distribute the cheesecake mixture over the crust. Microwave reserve jam for 30 seconds until runny. Drizzle onto the cheesecake layer. Bake in oven 30 to 40 minutes. If you are enjoying this dessert recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Cool on wire rack 30 minutes, then refrigerate a minimum of 4 hours. Before serving, place foil onto a cutting board. Pull foil away from edges of cheesecake dessert. Cut into the size bars that you desire. Store in the refrigerator. Yeah, this is good. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.